In this video, we're going to be learning how to rig and animate a Make Human character inside Mixamo. Now, I have created this using the MPFB add-on, and now I'm going to be rigging it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select the character and make sure I take it back to the original position. So once you're done with that, you can be able to go on to hide your rig. And once you hide your rig, click and drag to select the entire mesh. Now, once you do that, you can just go to File, Export, and export as an FBS file. Now, create a folder where you're going to save that, and make sure you select only selected objects and apply modifier, and then you export it. Now, go to Mixamo and import the FBX file. Once you're done importing it, you are going to see the character and it's going to come in without the textures. We're going to resolve that later. Make sure you select the appropriate parts of it, and then you can click on next, and it's going to go ahead to rig it for you. Now you can see that my character has been rigged and I can be able to use it inside the Mixamo website. You can go on to search for different animations that you can be able to use. And once you do that, you can select, let's say, for example, you can select run, and I'm going to make it to run at one point. And now I can download this. Now, if you're downloading it, make sure you download it with the skin. You click on download and it's going to download it. If you want to download other animations, the best thing you can do is to download without skin. But I noticed that there are some errors that you will experience if you download it without the skin. So I would advise that you should download all of it with the skin and then go on back to Blender. Now in Blender, you can import the character, the FBX file, and you can see it doesn't come in with the textures. Now, to be able to do that, you can now go to your textures. You can select the different parts of your character and begin to change it to the original texture. So now you can be able to see, after changing everything to the original texture, because they will have similar names, you can see I have my original character with all the textures applied to the new one. So if you want to use other animations on it, you can just go on to your animation panel and then your action editor, and you can import the other FBS file. Here I use the rig, but I discovered that it comes in with a sort of error in the bones. So I advise that whenever you are download it, make sure you download it with the skin so that you can be able to reuse that and the skin will not have that error that only the rig will have. So I have these rigs and I can just bring them in and rename them, and then I can use them in this one. So, but it still has that error. So make sure you download it with the skin to bypass this particular thing. If not, the best thing you can do is to reanimate that part that has errors where the bone is entering into the skin. So that's basically how you can be able to get animations from Mixamo and use it inside a Make Human character. If you have any question, please put that in the comments, and if not, do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.